Hey everyone, I am the Tailorette, and right now I am working on 12 dresses on an assembly line, which is basically making all 12 dresses at the same time rather than just working on one dress at a time. Now this morning I woke up very early and I got to watch the sunrise, but I also was working on my sleeves. I got those put through the serger so I can start hand stitching those. I got started on my bodices. So far I already have my skirts made. I have my top layer, my middle layer, and my bottom layer. I was able to attach all of those together. I finished stitching together the back bodices and now I'm going to attach them to the front pieces. So let's get to work. Okay, so they're all pinned together and now I'm ready to put them through the serger and then we'll hand stitch them, which is the grueling part, but we'll get through it. And we're done hand stitching the bodices. Now the next step is to put the sleeves inside the sleeve holes. And set this in a stack on the table so that I can stitch these down all together. Get the next one. This rack is super helpful. I have this outside of my actual closet so I can hang up all my new dresses, so I can separate the ones that haven't been photographed and then put the ones that were photographed into the closet over there. And this is how I complete my 12 dresses. I put the buttons on and did the buttonholes, and it's all finished and now they are ready to be photographed. One of the biggest things that's important for a dress fitting before it gets sent out is I fit it to a mannequin. So each dress is taken off the hanger and I measure it and I take the length and the bust and make sure that it fits correctly, because I don't want anything to be sent out in the wrong size and just assume that it turned out the way I wanted it to. And this is adjustable, so that's super helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed watching me work my head off. And I would love to see you again soon, so hit the subscribe button. I also would love to hear from you, so mention in the comment section what you would love to see coming from my channel in the future. And until next time, adios everyone!